Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix ERR underscore SSL underscore version underscore or underscore cipher underscore mismatched in Chrome bypass in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that you need to do is that you need to clear your browser's cache and cookies. How we can do that? Simply bring up the Google Chrome, make a right click, and then click for open so that you can enter. Once you have bring up the Google Chrome, simply expand it first. Navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it. Scroll down, find for settings, which has this gear icon. And from that, please proceed to the left pane and find for privacy and security. Proceed to privacy and security section where you can find delete browsing data. Now check all of the boxes here. These are browsing history, download history, cookies, cached, and other site data. Click for delete data. Wait for some time until this would be done. And once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. Now, if not, then move on to the next solution, and that is to temporarily disable the antivirus or firewall. How we can do that? Now proceed here at the search bar at the bottom and then type for panel. Once you've typed it, wait until you will be able to see a best match, which is a control panel. Once here, please proceed to the right side and click for open so that you can open the window. From here, change the view like this first. Navigate to the top right, at the upper right side of that, you can see their view by. Click on it and change it to the large icons. Once done, proceed to the fourth column. You can find Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it and then navigate to the left pane, find for Turned Windows Firewall Defender on or off. So turn it off under both private and public network settings and click on OK. Once done, go back to your browser, check if the error has been resolved. Okay. And once you have fixed it, then you can turn it on again and click for OK. But let's say if the error still persists, then I want you to turn it off first. Okay. And then go back to your browser, make a right click, and then click for open. And this time you need to update your Google Chrome. So from here, expand it first, navigate to the top right corner. Again, you can see there are three dots, scroll down, and then there you can see help. And then the moment you locate your cursor here, this one would appear. Proceed to about Google Chrome. And from that, it will automatically check for updates. If your computer is outdated, it will automatically update it. So wait until this would be updated. Wait until the process would be done successfully. Once done, it will ask you to relaunch. Click for relaunch so that you can completely update your Google Chrome. Okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.